Hola chicos, this is your very first speaking quiz. Just as a reminder, you cannot rewind or fast forward this video. You are allowed to listen to the video only once. What's going to happen is I'm going to say each question, and then you'll want to pause if you're going to give an answer. I will repeat each question 3 times in a row. So, for example, if I said, what time is class? I might say, what time is class? And then you would pause. You would answer it out loud while recording yourself. And then you would unpause. I'll repeat the question 3 times. You have the choice of only answering once or answering all 3 times. If you think that maybe you can improve each time, it's up to you. Please make sure you answer with as much detail as possible, with as complete as a sentence as possible. And other than that, just again, you cannot fast forward, you cannot rewind. You need to only listen to it once. Make sure you've recorded yourself answering the questions, and then you'll turn in the video on the link. Okay, with that said, we're going to go ahead and get started. Again, remember, answer as much as you can in Spanish to the questions. 1. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Claudia.
2. ¿Cuál es la fecha hoy? ¿Cuál es la fecha hoy? 3. ¿Qué
Hoy es el 31 de enero.
hora es? ¿Qué hora es? ¿Qué hora es?
Son las 2:04.
4. ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños?
Mi cumpleaños es el 12 de marzo.
Okay, chicos, make sure that you turn in your recording so that I can get you graded. Gracias.